Clear and cool out there today, and we're going to continue that as we go into the overnight hours as well, or already in the overnight hours. As we go into the late overnight hours, you can tell that our trend through the evening was clearing skies, and what that's going to allow for is a term that I've been talking about for a couple weeks now is radiational cooling. So those clear skies allows for the heat to escape. No cloud cover to keep that heat trapped in, and that's going to allow for those temperatures really to get as cold as they possibly can tonight, which will end up being in the, well, probably lower 40s, maybe upper 30s in some locations. Our surface map across the country showing one cold front that actually worked through today, kept the temperatures down, high pressure right on its heel. And you can see all across the Midwest, a lot of green, a lot of blue hanging out there. That's cool, cold temperatures going across the middle part of the country. And of course, our next big storm maker going to be in the Pacific Northwest. Currently, this is going to take its time, but when it does come out, it's going to be paired up with a rather strong cold front that'll be moving in our direction. That Arctic air going to be bringing big changes and potentially maybe even some severe weather as we work into the end of the week. Overnight tonight, 43, I'd say somewhere between 39 and 43, depending on location and exact dew point, but clear skies out there. It'll be chilly in the morning. You're definitely going to need the jacket. As we go throughout the rest of this week, however, mostly sunny, very, very pleasant. How about on Thursday? Mostly sunny and very pleasant. As we go into Friday, that's when the changes happen. We'll see sunny skies changing to partly cloudy skies, and then maybe some severe weather overnight. There's that potential. Of course, we're going to have to keep a close eye on that for you. Dry and still cool tomorrow, but it will be warmer than it was today. High pressure system still in control. That cooler air just hanging out across the southeast. You don't see any rain across the southeast, with the exception being southeastern Florida. But you notice the warming trend going on in Texas and Oklahoma. That will be moving in our direction, bringing us warmer temperatures. So if you don't like the cooler air, you just have to wait a couple days and then we'll be warm once again. 43 overnight tonight. Couple locations, don't be surprised if they drop down to around 39 degrees. And as we go into the day tomorrow, yes, I said we'd all be in the 70s. Yes, I think we will all be in the 70s, even though there's some 60s in the forecast here. I think we will all be at 70 or 71 tomorrow with plenty of sunshine. We should warm up quite nicely. And our extended forecast, up to 73 by Thursday. Well, how about Friday? 75 degrees. Saturday, that cold front comes in, and depending on the exact timing of that cold front, could be looking at a wind and or hail event. And of course, the tornado threat on Saturday at this moment in time is not zero, which means you're going to have to stay weather aware the entirety of that event. Of course, we'll narrow down that forecast as we get closer to it, but right now there's just the thought that there's potential for severe weather there on Saturday. But other than that, really nice weather this week as we go into the weekend, and much colder air moving in by next week.
Much colder. Okay,
yes.
but we're going to enjoy the warm up later this week. Maybe not so much tonight, though.
Not so much tonight.
Bundle up tonight.
Thanks.